Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to explain you about how to draw the inverted triangle. In the previous video I have mentioned that how to draw the triangle. In this video we are going to see about how to draw an inverted triangle. Let me quickly explain about it. You can see what I am doing. I am inserting the asterisk symbol by leaving a space, right? I have set a limit of first line 7 symbols, right? In the first line I am inserting 7 symbols. You can see I am moving to next line and inserting 6 symbols, right? And in the next line I am inserting 5 symbols, then 4 symbols, then 3 symbols, 2 symbols, and stopping with 1. Now you can see the diagram. The diagram is like an inverted triangle. This is what we are going to program it. Okay, first thing is you need to start with the highest number by printing 7 symbols, and while moving on to next line you have to decrement it and you have to repeat this operation till you are reaching the symbol 1, right? This program will end when it reaches a single symbol insertion. It will start with the biggest number, you have to decrement it, and it will have to reach the symbol 1. Okay, now we are going to discuss in a programming using a programming language. First, see if you are a beginner, the first line for a C programming is include stdio.h. So you have to start your program by using #include stdio.h. Using this line, you are going to insert std standard input output header files. Only if you insert this line, you can able to enter something on the screen. Okay. So next one is int main. Int main here it signifies only after seeing this line your program will start its execution. Okay, you are just giving the hint to the computer that it is a main function. Here only your execution will begin. Okay, so next line signifies the input you are going to give to the computer for understanding. Right, I have already mentioned in the previous video, for drawing a diagram or else in order to do the programming you have to start the operation, do the operation and stop the operation. Right, here for starting the operation I is used for initialization and j is used for doing the operation and rows is used for setting the limit. Here the limit is nothing but 7 is the limit I have given here. So in this program the program will start with the limit 7 and it will decrement it when it moves towards the next line, then it will stop when it reaches 1, right? So for getting the input from the user, here you are seeing, right, enter the number of rows. I have given the rows number is 7, right? This say I am executing it again, I am giving the value 7. You can see now what is happening. This input has been given by the user. 7 is the input that has been given by the user. It is asking for the input, right? So for scanning the input from the user, this line is very important. Scan of %d ampersand rows, right? See, this two line is for printing the statement on the screen, output screen, as well as getting the input from the user. Okay, so next there are two for loops as it is in the previous program. First for loop and second for loop. First for loop is used for initialization. I have already mentioned that you have to set a limit, right? My first line I have set a limit like insert 7 symbols, right? So I have given the rows value as 7. So now i's value will be assigned as a 7. I is equal to 7. So for I is greater than or equal to 1. Still it reaches 1, your value will be decremented. So that is what I have explained. Initially it is 7, next 6, next 5, next 4, 3, 2, 1. Like that it is decrementing and finally it is reaching the value 1, right? So this is the use of the first for loop. Second for loop is used for printing the statement. Okay, for j is equal to 1, so it start printing the symbol, first symbol, and it is incrementing and printing till it reaches I. What is the I value? I value is 7, right? So it will start with 1 and it will that is, it will print the first symbol, then second symbol, third symbol, fourth symbol, fifth symbol, sixth and seventh. Right. See, afterwards this particular loop will be executed. For the second time it will move on to the loop, for loop again, and then it will decrement the value as 1. Right. So after decrementation the value is 6. So for 6 times the particular symbol will be printed. Next it will move on to next line. 5 symbols will be printed, 4 symbols will be printed, 3, 2, 1. Clear? So this is the concept behind how to print the inverted triangle. Okay, if you are having any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section so that I can help. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.